Hi, how are you doing? In this video, we will explain how to create a simulation for Google homepage using Expression Web. Step number one, you need to download Expression Web. You're gonna find the link on Classera week 5 here. Okay. You're gonna find a link for downloading it. Just click the link. It will open a website to download it, and the other link is a video that explains how to follow the steps in the link above to download Classera. So this is the link and this is the video explaining how to use the link. After installing Expression Web on your PC, open it from all programs. As we said in our session, by default, Expression Web will open the last project you were working in. In this case, it will be your first project, so it will display like a black screen. It's taking like 2 or 3 seconds to start up. Okay. To start working with your website, don't forget to create a source folder on any partition on your PC. That source folder will be working as, that folder will be working as a source folder that contains all the files and images related to your website. So on document, for example, I'm going to create a folder. Okay, here, right click, new folder. Okay, I'm gonna name it as Google. Okay, inside that folder, I need to save the logo of the home page, which exists here. So click on images, just right click it and save image as. Make sure it will be saved to documents on the Google site. I'm going to change its name to be logo to make the name somehow short. Okay, click save. Back to Expression Web. From site menu, select new site. Here we're having as sites, we're having general options and templates, where we're having more than one template. And here you can display the template you are selecting. And from general, we may select one page site, empty site, import site wizard. If you already have a site on your PC and you're going to import some of its pages, we're going to create an empty site. And from browse, make sure to select the folder we created on document to be our source folder. Then click OK. The site will be created. Now we're having an empty site. Only the folder here displayed on the folder list and the logo. Here we're having the side view containing the information, only the image of the logo on the folder. To add a web page inside the site, from new here, or from file, new page. We're having too many types of pages. We're going to create an HTML page that will contain the content of the website. So it will be an HTML. If we need to style our website, it will be a CSS file. for the content of the website, it will be HTML. Then click OK and save all from here. Save. Its name will be default referring to the home page that will be opened when we open the website. The first page to open on our website will be the default. Do not change its name to be the first one. Later on, inshallah, we will be creating websites with like 3 or 4 pages. The default page will be the first one. Okay, if we open our folder, document, Google, you're gonna find an HTML file, the same as we had created when we were working with HTML. Just right click and open with Google Chrome, for example. Now we're having an empty page. I need to change its name to be Google, as we're having here. From expression web, right click the page properties. From the general tab, change title to be Google. Sorry. Okay. For the page description, as we said, it contains the metadata of the website, or a clear description for your website, a tags that will help in increasing the chances of your websites to appear in the search. It will take a high rank while searching Google. Okay. From formatting, you may add a background picture, you may add a background color, change the text of your the text color on your websites. The hyperlinks by default, they are in blue. If you need to change how they are displayed, change their colors and so on. From here, I change the title to Google. Okay, don't forget to save all. If we refreshed now, it will display Google. Now it's time to add the logo in the middle. From the folder list, if you cannot see the folder list or any panel here, from panels, make sure folder list is selected. Just drag and drop, give it an alternative name, and alt text here is the same as the alt attribute we already had while typing the image tag in HTML. I'm gonna name it logo. Give it any alternative name, so if there is any error, the alternative name will appear next to the error. Okay, I'm going to make it centered, or while selecting the image from the tag properties, you may change whatever you need. This is the attribute. Scroll down for the alignment. From the CSS here, you're having the styles, its text alignment to the center, and so on. Anything relates to the styles will be in the CSS property. Anything related to the tag, the HTML tag, will be found on tag properties. Okay, I need to have it down, so I placed my mouse here. Click on enter from the keyboard to change its position. Save all again, refresh. Here we're having it displayed on the middle. Okay, now it's time for adding the searching bar we're having on Google page. Open Expression Web. Okay, I'm going to move the logo somehow up. Then here From the toolbox, I'm going to add input text. You're gonna find it in the form controls category. Just drag and drop, okay, and place it here. Again, it will be centered. Correct. Have it to the center. Change its size. Okay. Save all. Again, refresh. And here we go. We're having a search bar where we can type. Here on the top right, we're having 1, 2, 3, 4 hyperlinks website. When you click on it, it will display a hand and it will open a new web page. I need to create a hyperlink that will open Gmail. So on the top, place your mouse centered to the right, type Gmail, okay, highlight it, then from insert, hyperlink, okay. Here we're having more than one option. If I'm having like 2 web pages included in the website, I may have a hyperlink to open that web page, okay. From here, addresses, I can place a link for a website, for a YouTube video. When I click on it, it will open that video. From the original Google, click Gmail, copy the link that will appear. Definitely you're going to open any signed in يعني الانبوكس بتاع اي جيميل already معمول بيه log in على جوجل. Type here, make sure to take the full link with the HTTP, right click, copy from address, paste, and okay. Now we're having Gmail here. Save all, refresh. If you click here, it will open my inbox. Okay, back. We need to have another one to open Google Images. I need to open the original Google. Sorry. Here, I need the images one from expression. Just move your mouse cursor, take a space. Okay, I'm making the space using the space bar on keyboard. Here, I'm going to type images and select the word images. Click on images here and copy the link that will open Google Images. Don't forget to take it with HTTP. Copy. Again, insert, hyperlink. Since we're having an address, place it here. Okay. Finally, we're going to click save or save all. Just refresh your website. You're going to find 2 hyperlinks, one for opening your Gmail inbox, one for opening Google Images. Here we're having the text input. In the original website, we're having an icon here that will open a list with Google applications. If you can see here, replace the icon for Google Apps with the Drive, for example, and add the link to open a Drive. Okay, you're going to place the icon here and work with it simply the same as a text. Select, insert, hyperlink, place the link of Google Drive. Finally, it's time to add the two buttons here. One to perform Google search when we type the word Classera, for example, okay, and click Google search. It will open the website, the links of Classera, and here we're having Classera login. What we're gonna do, opening Expression Web, place your mouse in the center, okay, it could be here. From insert menu again, select interactive button. From the button tab, we're having buttons list. When you select any of the buttons here, he will view how the button will look like. I'm going to select this one. The text here will be for the text displayed on the button. Okay. For the link, we're going to add Classera link. Okay. we're going to stick to Classera to make the search easier. علشان السيرش button ده to have it يعني searching any criteria will be adding on the text input will be too hard for you now. So we're going to stick to open only Classera. I'm going to take the link of Classera. Okay, from here, copy, paste, click OK. The browse here, if you're having any web page inside your website, you need to open. Okay, we're gonna stick to the link to open Classera. Click OK. He will take time to load your button. Take a space here to add the other one. Place your mouse here from insert interactive button. I will stick to the same style. From here I'm gonna type I'm lucky. Open Google, click the button here, take the link, right click and copy, paste the link to the address here, click OK. Now we're having the two buttons, save all. From the folder, document, right click, the default page, open with Google. Now we're having our simulation for Google. If we click here, it will open Classera. Back. Definitely يعني if the search criteria here is Classera, but this is okay. Here it will open Google Images. Moving back. From here it will open Gmail inbox. Don't forget to add the drive, the Google Drive icon here and a link to open Google Drive. Thank you so much. Finally, to submit what did you create, you're going to compress your folder so you can upload it all as a one folder or a one file to Classera. Right click it, add to Google. You need to add a WinRAR or any compressing program to compress it all as a one folder. Okay, then you're going to upload this file to Classera as an attachment. Thank you so much.